Alright, what is going on, MegaWhale team? Welcome back to our channel. We got a really cool video today. We're going to be taking a look at the DXY and we're going to be analyzing that and cross-referencing it with Bitcoin and of course the DXY. It was basically the inverted Bitcoin chart at this point. Everyone knows that as the DXY goes up, Bitcoin and on-risk assets in the cryptocurrency marketplace decrease. It's common knowledge and we've seen it time and time again, a correlation between these two classes, and we're going to look at it again today because the DXY is in a pretty critical situation, pretty critical spot. It's actually right on the major long-term resistance, and we can see that it has just rejected. If we go down to a smaller time frame, we'll go to a 5-minute chart, we can see it has just rejected on this major long-term resistance, acting as a diagonal long-term resistance since, let's take a look, since all the way back. And this is all the way back since 2001, guys. All right, so it's a very strong resistance here. And of course, if Bitcoin does want to see the price continue upwards here, we're going to have to watch the DXY fall in value. Of course, if the DXY breaks over this resistance, we can see a significant crash in the cryptocurrency marketplace. And the last time we saw that happen, believe it or not, guys, that was March 2020. Now, what happened March 2020? Of course, it was the COVID-19 crash. And yes, global events can cause prices to crash more than they would usually. But like I said before, if prices end up moving past critical resistances or critical supports, it doesn't matter what caused that price action to occur. If it occurs and if these levels are broken, we can see significant sell-offs. All right, guys, look at this. Significant sell-off. 51% drop in Bitcoin the last time we went over this resistance. And guys, we are at that resistance again. We are right on that resistance. And as we can see, we are testing it. It's going to be a few days before we find out if we're going to break upwards or downwards. But looking at the chart, it does look very probable that we could continue upwards here. I would not be shocked if DXY continues upwards here and Bitcoin absolutely tanks. All right, guys, so just a quick update from me. Be careful. Obviously, taking a look at Bitcoin now, just to summarize what's going on, it is not the best time to be entering the market. Be safe. Obviously, we did a video, I think about 30 hours ago, when the Bitcoin price was up around over here. And we said we had two options. Option number one was we come on down and find support on this yellow trend line. Option number two is we lose that trend line and continue down into this range here. And finally, the third option was that bullish option that we continue upwards, which was very, very unlikely, as we did mention that we were in a rising wedge. Those are bearish patterns. We have seen the price action now continue downwards. It is around 41,300. And I do not believe that if we are able to test this range, if the DXY breaks upwards, we will lose this level very quickly. All right, I don't think it's going to hold. It is a strong support, but I don't think it will hold if the DXY breaks upwards. So just a quick video from me today, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I just want to do this quick little video to update you guys what's going on, keep it nice and short and sharp. Obviously, we have seen many instances in the past. We take a look at January 2017, periods of times where this resistance have been retested and rejected from. We have seen Bitcoin have a substantial move. So we just quickly analyze that one for you guys. So basically 10th of January 2017, if we go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin on the 10th of January 2017, which is all the way back over here. If the chart will load, let's take a look. I don't think it's going to load over here. I might have to jump on another chart real quickly for you guys. Let's go on to Brave New Coin Liquid Index. And we can go to, I think it was the 10th of January 2019, if I just jog my memory. 10th of January 2017, sorry. Here it is over here. 10th of January 2017, right at the bottom over here, guys. All right, so from there on upwards, we saw a significant run. So that was the 10th of January over here, all right? We saw a significant run all the way up, all right? That was from like $600 all the way up to nearly $20,000, and that is during this move over here. All right, pretty much perfectly. That 1 year period was matched up perfectly with this one this 1 year period over here. All right, so like I'm saying again, be cautious here. If we reject from here on the DXY, Bitcoin could see a very significant move. All right, if this happens, the market will go parabolic. All right, if that happens, the market will go parabolic. Vice versa, if we see this happen, we will expect a huge crash in the market and we'll definitely be seeing our targets of $22,000 reached. All right, guys, that's it for me today. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Remember, link in the description to our Twitter, our Telegram. Join up those channels. We'd love to see you around both of those. Connect with the community on Twitter, and our VIP channel has a few entry slots left, and we still have 1 lifetime membership to give away. So if you want to get around to the VIP channel, get all access to market updates, daily trades, direct contact, whole range of other things, let me know, and I'll catch you in the next video.